Media is constantly saying that you are not electable, and what are we doing about that?
Which is powerful propaganda against us, and there's no doubt about it. But what are we doing about it? Well, we come to the people, we talk to the people, we have to spread our message differently. We cannot depend on the media to rectify that. Some of it, though, is that what I say is different. It challenges the status quo. Sometimes they are the status quo in the media, and they don't want to rock the boat, and they're part of the military-industrial complex. Others in the media don't have the vaguest idea what Austrian economics is all about. And the vaguest idea, I mean, they think it's perfectly all right and wise because they have been taught that printing money is a lot easier than earning money and using gold and silver standard. You know, they don't understand this, so therefore they say he's not electable, which is detrimental. There's no doubt about it. People should come together, and we do get, you know, in an audience like this, quite frankly, we get a lot of young people who have not made up their minds and never been involved before. A lot of people who have dropped out that are coming back in. A lot of independents. And lo and behold, we get a lot of Democrats supporting our cause. Thank you.